Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2013 Ram 1500 SLT quad cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver, looks fantastic. You do have the chrome accenting on your grille up front with your halogen quad headlights and your fog lights just down there. Now coming around the side here we do have our 17-inch rims with our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look fantastic. You got your running boards along the bottom there, as well as your heated exterior mirrors. And coming all the way around to the back, we got this nice 6-foot box back here. You got the chrome bumper back here as well, and your backup camera, as well as the SLT badging there. You can open up this guy right here. Looks fantastic back here. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. You'll be able to haul lots of stuff. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you, or in the summer, get it nice and cool for you. Now, as long as it's unlocked, we can just jump in here. On the door, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here with a bit of chrome accenting. Handle here, some storage here, and more right down here. Looks fantastic in here as well. The seats are very comfortable, very soft. The two-tone seats look great. You do have the controls over them here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and lumbar support. And then right up here, we do have our controls over our lights, or auto or off, our daytime running lights and our low beams, as well as our fog lights if you press them in. Then right up here, we do have our controls over our turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now we also have what temperature is outside, we have the direction we're facing, and how many kilometers we have. 52,000, not too bad at all. Now you can switch that around from your speedometer to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. You got your messages, screen setup, turn the menu off, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. You got your gear shift right here, just like that. And when you are in reverse, you got that ever useful backup camera right there. Now you do have a 5-inch touchscreen display here, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all in there, as well as you have your media tab if you have one hooked up through your USB, your Bluetooth, or your aux cord. Then you also have your phone options right there if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, your compass, your settings, and your more. Down here you got volume up and down with your mute, your screen off, your back button, and your tuner and browser. Right over here we do have a control over our 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock and low, as well as our neutral right there. Right over here we do have the control over the climate control, so we have our power up and down with the circulation. You have your hazard lights, you have your AC and heat, then you have where it's going to blow out of there. Plus you do have your traction control, your tow and haul mode, some storage here, and another plug in there. Open this guy up, there's some storage right in there. And in the center we do have 3 cup holders with our armrest that doubles as a storage container. You have some coin holders right there. And over here we do have an aux cord and a USB plug-in. Close that up, lift this up, and you got another seat under there. This vehicle does seat 6 people altogether. And then right over here we do have the top layer and the bottom layer right there. Looks fantastic. Then up top you do have the control right there over the little window in the back. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same chrome accenting, control over your windows, handle, and it does look great in here. It is the same seats, feels great. You can lift these up, and you got these guys that fold down like this. You have a flat place to put stuff on top of. Other side does the same. You can also fold it up, and you got some storage just underneath there. Plus you have your cup holders right over there. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2013 Ram 1500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.